Alright, a while back somebody asked me, and I forgot to get back to them, and asked me how many chickens I think I can get in that drum. Well, let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 in here right now, and I don't have them on beer cans. If I had them on beer cans, they would sit up a little bit straighter. But these are going to be for some pulled chicken anyway, so I don't really care how they sit in there. But you can get 6 in there. Maybe you could squeeze 7 in there, but comfortably, 6 is definitely a go. And I'm gonna let these ride out for about 2 hours. I'm probably try to keep it right around 300 degrees, 295, 300 degrees. And we'll see what we come out with. Yeah, boy, whole chickens. And these have been brine. Same brine I use for my turkeys, I use for these chickens. So I'll put a link to that brine recipe as well. Look good, y'all. Yeah, boy. Look at that, man. Golden brown delicious, man. Let me back up and let that hit it real quick. How many we got in there again? 6 chickens. I'm probably at about hour 2. I'm gonna temp them in a minute, but they look like they're pretty much done. But yes, you can get 6 in here. That's a combination of cherry and applewood. And they look good. Look at that juice. Yes, sir. I browned them overnight for 24 hours, and this is the end result. This is for smoked pulled chicken. We're not gonna really use the skin, but I might find something to do with it. So there you go. Yes, you can get 6 whole chickens inside of a drum smoker. Yeah, boy. Just like that, I just temped them out there like 165, 166. 2 hours and 45 minutes later at about 275 degrees cooking temperature. And they're ready to go. Take them on off of that. Appreciate y'all watching, man. As always, good food, good vibes. Yeah, boy.